Why are you looking at the prices?
Well, I've got to get a few things with this tenner, mate.
You're not actually going to pay for this, are you?
I mean, yeah, mate. Why wouldn't I?
Just grab the stuff and go before something bad happens.
What even happened? I don't know what came over me. I'm usually pretty stubborn, but that just felt different. What did that guy want? He just started threatening me for no reason. It's like he wasn't even human.
Oof, sorry, pal.
No, all good. Oh, why are you here again?
Do you always take disrespect like that? He hit you. Are you really going to let him get away with it?
Why are you saying these things? First was the store, and now it's this. What's a point?
I want you to stop being such a coward and face him. Do you think anyone will ever take you seriously if you don't stand on business?
I'm not doing it. It's not me.
You all right?
Oh, what happened?
You were in an accident. We don't know what happened yet. We'll get CCTV to check it. Do you remember anything?
Oh, I don't know. I don't really remember.
Look, I don't know what's happening. You saw the guy earlier though, didn't you? He's been telling me to do things.
What are you on about? You're on your own.
You saw him, the guy, he was tall, brown hair. He was literally following me, just appeared out of nowhere.
I don't know what you're on about. You're on your own.
He was behind me.
I don't
the tall
understand.
person.
Man, you're a crazy guy, man.
You turned round, you asked if I was all right. You're not real. You're in my head.
Oh, but I am. For as long as you can hear and see me, I'll be real and I'll be here.
I'm not listening to you anymore. You're not real.
Yes, but the solution's right there. All it takes is one move and you'll get rid of me. One trigger, one impulse decision. If you don't, I'll never leave you. It's now or later. Your choice.
My choice? You never cared about my choice. Whenever I choose not to do something, it was always an illusion. And you knew that. It's never been down to me.
But now, it is. One pull, one release. You better hurry.